can I make my first 10,000 Kenyan shillings online? Making money online sounds exciting, but for most people, it never works. Not because it's fake, but because they approach it the wrong way. They try too many things. They expect fast money, and they quit too early. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, practical, step-by-step system you can use to make your first 10,000 Kenyan shillings online. Even if you only have a phone, you have no experience, and you are starting from zero. Stay until the end because I'll show you how to turn that 10K into something much bigger. First, understand what online money really is. Before we talk about making money, you need to understand this. There are only 3 real ways to make money online. Number 1, selling a product. Number 2, offering a service. Number 3, creating content. That's it. Most beginners fail because they chase complicated things like 1, Forex without knowledge, 2, crypto hype, and 3, getting rich quick systems. But your first 10,000 Kenyan shillings will come from simple, repeatable work. Secondly, choose a simple skill. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to be useful. Here are beginner-friendly skills you can start today using your phone. Number 1, poster design using Canva, CV writing, social media posting, caption writing, basic video editing using CapCut, typing and document formatting. Just pick one. Don't pick 5. Don't confuse yourself. Spend 2 to 3 days learning and practicing. Then move to the next step. Third part, position yourself to get clients. This is where most people fail. They learn a skill and they do nothing with it. You must put yourself where money flows. Start here. First, Facebook group search. Search for groups like Kenya Business, Small Businesses Kenya, Entrepreneurs Kenya, and post something like, I help create clean and professional posters for businesses at affordable price. DM me. In WhatsApp status, post daily your sample work, before and after results. People buy from what they see often. In TikTok or Instagram, post short videos. Post before versus after poster designs. This will build trust fast. On the fourth part, get your first client. Your first client is the hardest. So don't focus on profit. Focus on proof. Do this. Offer a discount or even do one job for free. Deliver high quality, then ask for testimonial. Once you have your first result and testimonial, it is then that you are no longer a beginner. Congratulations, you've just reached 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Now let's break it down simply. First option. If you have 10 clients who are ready to pay you 1,000 Kenyan shillings, that is a total of 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Option 2. If you use 20 clients who are ready to pay you 500 Kenyan shillings, that is a total of 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Option 3. If you use 5 clients who are ready to pay you 2,000 Kenyan shillings, that is a total of 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Focus on consistency, daily posting, daily outreach, and if you talk to people every day, money will come. Now, these are the common mistakes you should avoid. 1. Waiting to be perfect. 2. Learning too many skills at once. 3. Being afraid to post your work. And lastly, giving up too early. Most people quit when they are very close. Remember, your first 10,000 Kenyan shillings online will not change your life, but it will change your mindset forever. Because now you know, 1, money can come from your phone, it can come from your effort and your consistency. And once you understand that, everything changes. If you're serious about building income and financial growth, like this video and subscribe and stay consistent, because in the next video, we'll break down why most people stay broke even when they earn money and how to avoid it. Until next time.